Okay, so in this video, I'm briefly going to go over uh, converses, inverses, and contrapositives. So all I'm really going to do is come up with a couple conditional statements. So if it's red, then I like it. Okay, so that's my favorite color. That's why we're going there. Anyway, so obviously we already know from previous videos and lessons. So this would be my hypothesis that it is red, whatever it is. And this would be my conclusion that I like it. Again, whatever it is. Okay, so if it's red, then I like it. So this is my conditional statement. Of course, I'm abbreviating the crap out of those words. Okay, so to get the converse, right, to get the converse, all I'm going to do is flip the hypothesis and the conclusion, right? So for the converse, it becomes if I like it, and we're not worried about it being true or false right now. If I like it, then it's red. Okay, this would be the converse. All I did was flip hypothesis and conclusion. Okay, now we also have what's called an inverse. Okay, so an inverse is where we negate the hypothesis and negate the conclusion. So I'm literally just going to write not in here. So if not hypothesis, then not conclusion, right? Now you can't be such a robot about it. Okay, you have to factor in, that we have grammar in our language, right? So I wouldn't say if not it's red. I would say if it's not red, then it's not, well, no, sorry, brain fart. Then I do not like it. I'm just going to say don't. Then I don't like it. Okay, and we see, so with converse, right, we flipped the hypothesis and the conclusion, right? Um, However, with inverse, we didn't. With inverse, it stayed in the same spot. Okay, nothing flipped. So that was my inverse, right? And that just means negate hypothesis and conclusion. Okay, so now let's talk about contrapositive, right? And it's going to bother me if I don't draw an arrow like that. Okay, so now let's talk about contrapositive. Erase here. Okay, so the contrapositive is when you do both, you flip and negate. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to negate, so that means I'm going to put the word not into my hypothesis and conclusion, but I'm also going to flip. So it's going to become if I don't like it, then it's not red. Okay, so you can see that we did both, right? So this would be the contrapositive. And that's when you flip and negate. Okay, so that does it for this video. Like always, if you have any questions over anything, shoot me an email or just come and see me. Goodbye. Only I could find the mouse.